Hello everyone, welcome to our today lecture. In our today lecture, we are going to discuss that either our dependent variable is stable or not. Basically, we are going to discuss the stability of the dependent variable in our today lecture. So for this, we have to simply bring our data from Excel file to in eViews file. So here I have, let's say, four variables. So I am simply going to copy all of these variable and bring these variable to in my eViews file. So we have to click here on file, new work file, and then here I have to enter the start date of my data set and the end date for my data set. So my data is annually, so I am going with this option. My data has start date and end date as well, so I am going with dated regularly. So then I have to click on OK. So then I have to go to quick empty group, and here I have to paste my all data. So as you can see that my all data is now here in eViews file. So now you have to simply click all of these variable and select open as equation. So by assuming that GDP growth is my dependent variable, so I am going to select GDP first, and after that I will select all my variables one by one. Then right click, open as equation, and then run the model. As by default it is going with LS, means ordinary least square method. Then click on OK. So here are the result for your ordinary least square method or LS. So now you have to go to view, then go on stability test, then go to recursive estimate. As you can see, there are multiple tests for the stability of the dependent variable, for the checking of stability of the dependent variable. But now we are using the recursive estimates at the time. So you have to click on recursive estimates. So this dialog box will open on your screen, and from this screen you can choose any of these model for the checking of the stability of your dependent variable. So now I am going with the QSUM of square test. So click on OK. So this will give you the result for your dependent variable stability. As you can see that there are two lines here. One is the red line here and the second red line is here. So these red line are showing for the significance. So these are red line are for the significance. So if you are, what is the guideline? The guideline is that if your this blue line lies within these two red lines, so it means that your dependent variable is stable or your model is stable. So for the stability of the dependent variable, the guideline is that your blue line must be lies between these two red line or the significance line. If your this blue line is above than this red line or below than this red line, that it means that your dependent variable is not stable. So this is how you can check the stability of your dependent variable. So if you have any question from today lecture, you can ask me freely.